Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to use charts. If you have a large chunk of data, it is always recommended to go with charts. Now suppose this is the projected revenue of introvert channel for the year 2020 and I want to show this data which is in tabular format in a chart. So suppose I want to show the quarterly data of uh, these countries. Now I'll select all the data points which I want to show in charts, and then I'll go to insert and then recommended charts. You see, Excel recommends if you don't know, like if you're not very familiar with the charts, you can always go with the recommended charts, and you can show it is showing how the data can be represented in line chart, bar chart, everything, bubble chart also there. So you can always use these charts. Now if we want to show everything like the total also, I'll go with this and I'll select the data points and then I'll go with recommended charts. And suppose this, you see, it's very beautifully represented. And now I'm going with this chart and then I'm selecting OK, and this will be represented here. Now you can resize it according to your need. Then you can anyhow, if you want to put it here, you can put it below here. Now similarly you can represent for other charts also, for other quarters also. And then you see here are other controls which you can use for this charts. Now you see this Canada, it's representing this is the total amount Canada, and then the colors with which it is represented: United States, Europe, Asia, India, and everything through the charts. So charts are very like big topic in Excel sheet, but this is the recommended chart which you can use like this. You can you can explore more by going to this. Thank you.